Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will share with you how I make a quick, simple, and delicious burger bowl with a spicy dressing. For this bowl, I used a lettuce mix, a burger, cucumber, tomatoes, carrots, sesame seeds, an onion, harissa paste, and mayonnaise. Start with cooking the beef, and I cooked the beef without any oil in its own grease. While the beef is cooking, cut the vegetables. For the dressing, I'm mixing mayonnaise with harissa paste, and I'm also adding a little bit of water to get more out of it and to have a more liquidy consistency. But for a creamier consistency, you can choose to omit the water. And now it is time to arrange the salad. If you decide to make this, make sure to tag me on Instagram at Amma's Kitchen because I love to see your recreations. Sprinkle some sesame seeds on it, and there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, you might like this Caesar salad recipe, or you might like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for weekly recipe videos. Thanks for watching, guys.